All right, today we're going into Michael's to see what they have for Halloween decor, and they say that they have the lowest prices of the season right now. They have plenty of fall decor and Halloween decor. Today we're going to be just really looking at Halloween decor, but these pumpkins, they are kind of versatile. You can use them for Halloween or you can use them for fall, because you can just do a little paint on them and it could be like jack-o'-lanterns. And I just thought they were cute because they came in different shapes and sizes, so you can make like a whole little collection with these, or you can paint the jack-o'-lantern on one side and then turn it the other way and then have it still for fall. You can be versatile with these. They have a lot of different little wreaths, and you can see some of them have like lights. These are real subtle, but if you can see, they have the little lights, and I guess you're just activated. And everything was on sale. You see, they said they had the lowest prices of the season. So everything for the Halloween and the fall was on sale right now. They have things that would be good for the Day of the Dead also, so you can play into that with a lot of the items that they have. And again, like I said, everything is on sale. Some things are 50%, and I believe some things were 40%, so not everything was 50%. I think some were 40%, but they had these cute little set of skeleton bones that you can put out, a lot of little cute hanging things, and then at 50% off, those would be $10. Dollar Tree has something similar to that, but it's much smaller. These I think are cute because they can be for Halloween, they can be for something else. Those little set of three, the little beakers are cute. The little things that you put like bowl, I will use them as like bowl fillers. I don't know, but you can find an idea for them. But those were cute. They had the crushed glass and the Halloween colors, more little beakers that you would use if you were doing like some kind of little setup there. This is like a little heart shape, like an actual heart, not like the heart shape. These I think were my favorite because they have that modern look, but you get that Halloween look, and they came in different colors. And again, these are going to be on sale too. But I just thought they were cute with the moss and the distress look like that. I thought those were nice pieces, and they came in different sizes and different colors. Like I said, they had garland. They had a lot of little different wall hangings, different things like that, that you can use. And in those traditional Halloween colors, more little cute beakers. That moss wreath I thought was cute. And again, that's something that can be for Halloween, or it could be for some type of fall decor. So some of these pieces you can play. This one was in more of the fall section, but you can use this all year round. You can decorate it for Halloween, then you can use it, for the rest of the year. They had a bunch of garland. You can see the fall theme ones, but this one was a Halloween one, and I just thought it was so cute with the little details and stuff in it. And it was a good sized piece too. And again, gonna be on sale. And then they had a wreath that kind of matched it. This wreath was my favorite. It's $150, but again, it's going to be on sale. And they had the skeleton there that hangs out of it. It was just full of cute little details. These pieces, $4.99. They were regularly $9.99, and it gave me kind of like a piñata feel. And then more decor pieces. So if you're doing like a party or something like that, or you're just really big into decorating, for the Halloween season, Michael's has a lot of pieces right now that you can use for that. They had that snake, when you unravel it, it was big, it was thick. This right here, $9.99, and then of course it's going to be on sale. Dollar Tree had a chain like that too, but it was not that long. This I thought was cute. It kind of looked like you made it, but it was cute. Like I say, so many pieces that you can use. This I thought would be a cute DIY, but at $25, and then you see these are 40% off. Might be easier just to buy that, at Michael's right now. They had a lot of little like lantern things, the little Halloween trees. This again is something that you can do a DIY on, but if you can, you can just buy it, and save yourself some time and some money. A lot of little vases and containers, different things that you can use. And you can use like the filler. You can fill it with different things. You can just put it on your shelves and use it for decorating. This I thought was cute. It's like a x-ray, and again on sale. So that was $13, and then 40% off. These little pieces, I'm not a fan of frogs, but I like it. They like give that icky, creepy Halloween feel. And then they had like, cats. They had different things. They had more garland. This was like a nice long piece. I felt it was a nice long piece. And it was cute for $17. And then of course it's gonna be on sale. Just so many pieces you can see, just they're full right now. At least at my Michael's they were full right now. The pastel pieces I feel this year are my favorite. Just because I like it. It's just, that girly kind of vibe. So I don't know if you're into that, but if you are, they had more earlier in the year. So your Michael's might carry different pieces, but they had more of the pastel pieces before when I went. But I love those pieces because they are just so cute, and the colors are so cute. Little things for these are like little spread knives, so you can do just so many cute things for parties, for different things like that. So if you are at Michael's or near Michael's, you want to order online, they say right now is the lowest price of the season. So grab your things for your Halloween party, or if you still are decorating for the season, it'd be a good time to get down there right now. I love these. They were nice and big, so they, give that statement. So if you do a Halloween tree or anything like that, these would be some great pieces to grab. More little bowls and trays and signs and different things. Like I said, they're just full of things right now for you to use to decorate for the Halloween season. The little ghost there, I thought she was so cute, and you can hang these things, by your front door. You can just so many different ways to use these pieces. So if you are at Michael's, like I said, grab these, and like I said, on sale. I can't say enough, on sale right now. But I feel like every year, they have the sales, but I can't really remember when sales start from last year to this year, So I'm just going to go by what they said. And they said it's the lowest prices of the season. So much cute little signage, different things like that you can get. So you can just, prop these on your shelves, or like, on a console table, or around your house, and just on your bar cart, just like so many different places, and just decorate for the season. Or like I said, if you're throwing a party or something like that, these would be between Michael's and the Dollar Tree are the best places to get your decor right now for the season. And then they had some really cute pillows. So these are just cute to me, and they had different shapes, different sizes, all kind of around the same price range. Really didn't vary, but I love this little spooky one here that's like $35. So you can grab so many cute things right now. And most of the pillows were in like, the black and white little pops of orange. But sometimes you can find different colors, like if you're doing like the pastel one, but a white and a black one probably would play into the pastel ones too. And then they had more garland over here. So they had like the ornament ones, but you can see little eyeballs in these. I love these every year when I see these little hats. I think they're so cute. So you can get, items for your costume and stuff like that too from Michael's right now. So go ahead and grab it while it is on sale. They have t-shirts, 40% off too on the t-shirts. And these are reasonably priced already. And then they have the 40% off. So they have the different little designs. They have the trick-or-treat. They have, whatever Halloween theme. Some of them weren't in the right box. So the picture didn't, go with whatever it was. But that one said witch in charge. But then these were skeletons. But I love that green color, So it's like sophisticated. But I love that one. They have things for decorating for outside, for inside, just so many pieces. They have the lighting. This would be cute. And like so many places, if you have like a bar area, if just so many different places in your house, this would be cute. And you can see another one that lights up. And then they had regular lighting too. So if you want to decorate with lighting, they had a few different choices for that. They had these. I like how they have a lot of little pieces that you can customize and make your own. So this little wood piece here is $30, but then of course it's going to be on sale. And then you can paint it and decorate it your own way, so that it's custom to what you want. Little Ouija like board signs, $20. And then of course on sale. And these, they have the Halloween vibe to me, but then this section had like a not the traditional Halloween. It's kind of, like spooky, witchy kind of decor, which I think is cute, because I'm a big fan of like, all the little Halloween traditional movies like Halloween Town and different things like that. And I feel like that kind of stuff plays into that. This pillow, I just loved it. $35, and again on sale. But so many cute little pieces from different, like I said, little knick-knack pieces you can put on your shelf, pieces you can put on your console table, candles, different things, more light up pieces. You can see it's like a little glow, and at night I think that'll look so cute. But just so many pieces that it would take forever if I went through them. I thought that little thing turned. It does not turn, but it's still a cute little piece. A lot of little, what do you call it, like science experiment looking pieces that they had. And then I like the pieces when they're black like that, because they can fit in a lot of different places, and then they still have that, Halloween vibe. But a black piece is going to be good because you can just toss it with so many different decors and different things. But they had a lot of the same like pieces but different. So if you wanted something like a sign, they have like a bunch of different signs, but signs that play into different spaces and decors and styles and different things like that. You want a little knick-knack piece, they have a lot of little ones that look the same, kind of, but not the same, if you understand what I mean. And like I said, everything on sale. I love these little skeleton pieces. That little glam look. She's all like dressed up and she's laid out on the chaise. This I thought was cute, holding the little bubbles with a little scarf on the head. What they wearing, like little pearls or something like that. I thought that was cute. Little Shop of Horrors. I don't know if anyone still watched that, but Little Shop of Horrors when I was little was the best Halloween movie to watch. So I always think those are cute pieces when I see those, and it was cute because it was dark, so it wasn't exactly like it, but gave you a little play on it. But these little pieces are cute, and you can see reasonably priced. And this one, he had little his legs moved, so I thought that was cute. But just so many, I can't say it enough, so many different little pieces that would play in with so many different styles and decors. And these pieces gave that whole vintage look, because if you go to haunted houses or different things like that, it always has that old feel, like you stepped into an old house, so it's haunted and somebody passed away there and they're like haunting it or something like that. So when you see the older looking pieces, that just plays into it, I think, at least. So I always think those are cute. And like I said, a ton of signage, a ton of different wreaths that you can use, and like I said, different colors, different styles. And this is the lighting that I was talking about, so you'll be able to see the different lighting. And they have it for outdoors. You can use some of this indoors though too. Different shapes, different sizes, little eyeballs, little jack-o'-lanterns, just so many different things. They had a little light up Halloween tree, so it's like not the tree with like the ferns and the different things like that. It's just going to be like a hard tree, and then little bulbs that stick out that light up. And then baking, because you can't have a Halloween party or a finish off Halloween without like treats and stuff like that. So they had like a lot of different molds that you can use, so you can see like the little mummy head, the little brains, the little skulls, ghost, all the different things that you can use. This one I thought was cute because you can get the front of the head, the back of the head, and then you can make a whole little skull. They had all the little pieces that you need to decorate your little treats and stuff like that. So you can get the little candy pieces, the icings. You can get little things to decorate it to make it look cute. They have the little cake mixes, the cookie mixes. You could use regular cake and cookie mix, but it's just cute when it comes in a little pack that is for Halloween, if you know what I mean. So I thought that was nice, but just so many things. So you can just do straight on from decorating your house to doing a Halloween party to just, little treat bags to, cake pops to just, whatever you want to do for Halloween right now. Michael's has all the little pieces. They have the little cookie cutters, just so many different things. And it is all on sale because Michael's is saying right now it is the lowest price of the season. So if you have not been to Michael's, you might want to head down there and catch some of these deals before all the stuff is gone.